got audio like mine does over here. How about an audio man? 365 Sacramento Mobile. Set it.
365. Well, top of the doggone day, man, and happy Easter to you over that way. 365, audio man got on down. Alright, 365, I guess Mother Nature walked out when you walked in, man. Mother Nature walked out when I walked in or something. I don't know, man. Mother Nature just took a big twist and a turn, but, alright, brother, well, we definitely said happy Easter to you over that way, and, maybe Mother Nature will give it back here shortly. Audio man's on the mail.
Quiet, listen to the music.
Keystone 561 on the Golden Gate, gotcha.
Alright, 365, I guess Mother Nature walked out, man. At 365, we'll try it again when Mother Nature provides. Audio man got on down.
Hello, DX Lamb. 215 out here in Mojave Desert, SoCal.
Hey, 215, we heard you around Canton, Ohio, man. Hey, 215, audio man with a wave is gone.
Right, and I'm waving on this fine Easter morning. Yo, man, what you say, yo, man? 215
Hey, 215, I said audio man, but it's all good. Hey, 215, I did say diddy-o, audio man, Canton, Ohio with a wave got down.
On this fine day. Yeah, well, Triple Nickel, you're making a hell of a trip over here, no doubt about it. Hey, Triple Nickel, you're signing us in. 247 MacGyver West Side, and I'm out of here. Bye, bye, bye.
245, audio man.
Try it. Good afternoon, Triple Nickel, Copperheads on the side. Alrighty, thank you very much. I'm trying to. All of our kids and grandkids and great-grandkids are thousands of miles away from us, so we're home here alone. And I've been at work, and I got all the gopher mounds off the lawn, and then I started with the weed puller and the cart and filled that up. Now I'm in here taking a long rest of the afternoon Pepsi break. All right, yeah, I just heard you talking 247. He lives 20 miles south of me, and I can't, Hank, get my hands on it. If you hear 247 in there again, yelling it, though, Copperhead, 20 miles north of it. Said hello and have a good day. All right, I'll back on out. Triple Nickel, thank you for the comeback. And before I get covered up, catch you later. Copperhead back in the grass.
Hey, Copperhead, tell Triple Nickel we said Happy Easter as I say Happy Easter to you if you got a copy. Hey, Copperhead, Audio Man is gone.
Sorry to hear about your wife there. I hope she starts feeling better here shortly, doggone it. All righty. I'll get on out of here. Triple Nickel, thank you for the comeback. Have a good rest of the day. Take it easy and lean back. Catch you later. I'm out. Stand all the way. What's up for me? 527.
Man, I want to know if I can't get over there to Copperhead's radio. Hey, Copperhead, Audio Man gonna try again to say Happy Easter to you over there, big brother. Hey, Copperhead, Audio Man got on down.
50. Seat right here. It's, I gotta take the oscillator out of it and, take a couple little wire jobs. Modified the same way as the 350. Same thing.